In 2016, my sister Carissa finished up a year of mission work all over the world and moved to Greece. I call her Kissy for some reason and have since I was about 5 years old, but that's beside the point. She would be there for about 6 months working at a hostel, so I decided to pay her a visit. Do you do this every day?
Yep.
I could talk about my experience in Greece, but I wanted to give her a chance to share instead.
The summer of 2016, I impulsively volunteered to help run a guest house in Chania, Greece, on the island of Crete, and in return, a piece of my heart was awakened that I just can't shake. Have you ever had a moment where you have to pinch yourself because it's just too good to be true? Every day in Crete was like that. The people, the food, the views. The mornings began with warm sun pouring through the open windows. The nights were cooled with cold showers and oscillating fans. Never have I seen such a breakfast feast than the ones we prepared on that green and white polka dot tablecloth. And the conversations had among yogurt and cheese pastries truly affirm that sharing meals brings people together in a way that no other communal activity can do. My favorite day was Saturday, where I drove our beat-up green stick shift car by myself to buy produce for the next week.
Kissy, what are we doing right now?
We're about to go to the Laiki, the market. We just had espresso, and we're gonna go shopping for groceries.
Strolling through the Laiki was the most magical experience, essentially a farmer's market. All of my senses worked overtime, bartering with vendors and greeting everyone I passed with a proud yasas. Our house overlooked the Mediterranean on one side, where we couldn't get enough coral sunsets. On the other side of our house, nestled on a working farm, was our neighbor's house, Yorgo, Maria, and Nellie. They became our summer family. Because we never just popped in to say hi, they always had to fill our bellies. One thing to know about the Greeks is that they eat like every meal is Thanksgiving. Giant spreads of handmade goods, language barriers, and so much laughing. The smell of tomatoes and wine always filled the land, and I never complained about all the watermelon we could stand. 4 beautiful beaches were only a stroll away. Each afternoon concluded with a tan and a swim until the skies turned gray. And if we were lucky that night, the best $2 gyro I've ever had. There's just something special about this country. Oh, and my big fat Greek wedding is as true as they portray. How can you not love cultures that are built around food, family, and knowing how to play hard?
I have seen the fjords of Norway. I have seen the Isles of Greece. I have seen times of war and I've seen times of peace.
Unbelievable.
And I'm sure I will see so much I will adore. But most of all, I'm looking forward to the day I'll see the Lord.
The Greek way to say I miss you is moulipis, which translates more as you are missing from me. Well, that's exactly how I feel. Crete forever and always. Moulipis.